In the previous video, we have seen the formula and we derived the formula also for tan, for sine, cos, tan, and we also saw what value we are getting if cos 90 minus 90 plus x we are taking, and sine 90 plus x, right? And sine pi minus x, cos pi minus x, cos pi plus x, sin pi plus x, every formula we saw. And we also saw the tan x plus y, we also did the derivation for this one. And cot also we got, we saw the formula of cot, and till here we got. Now this was 19, so next for this next one we'll write 20. Okay, so in last we'll check how many formula we have derived and how many formula we got. Right, now in term of tan, if you have to write cos 2x, as we know that we derived already, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x, right? So we can also write for this one cos, this is one formula, so cos 2x is equal to, also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. How? Because sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x, so that 1 will be minus, and minus minus plus, see, this can also be written as cos square x minus sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x, right? So this cos square x and plus minus minus plus plus cos square x will be 2 cos square x, right? And minus 1. Similarly, cos 2x can also be, there is formula for cos 2x, and in terms of tan, okay, so in terms of tan also we can write 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, this is the formula of cos 2x. Okay, so if you want to derive this, you can derive easily. See, cos 2x will be equal to, as we know that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x, right? And so what we do, what we can do, divided by 1 can be written divided by 1. If nothing is there, we can write 1. So cos square x minus sine square x divided by 1 can be written as cos square x plus sine square x, right? And now we'll divide the numerator and denominator both by cos square x, right? So what value we'll get? Cos square x divided by cos square x minus sine square x divided by cos square x. Now this was numerator, now we'll do the same for denominator and divide it by cos square x. So this is sine square x upon cos square x. Now cancel, cancel. So this is 1 minus sine square x divided by cos square x will be equal to tan square x divided by 1 plus sine square x divided by cos square x will be equal to tan square x. See the formula, is it the same? Okay, now similarly, now next we'll see for sine 2x. Sine 2x formula we derived, and we got 2 sine x cos x, right? But we can also write this in terms of tan. So sine 2x can be written as 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, so this was the formula for sine 2x in the term of tan x, right? The next formula that we are going to discuss is tan 2x. Tan 2x we have discussed. Sine cos, one more method to write tan. Sine cos is 1 plus 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, and sine 2x is this one. So tan is sine upon cos. So what value we'll get? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. That is the formula for tan. Okay, sine, cos, tan, all 2x we discussed. Now we'll discuss sine 3x. What will be the formula for sine 3x? See, the formula is 3 sine x minus 4 sine to the power 3x. Okay, so how we are getting this will derive here. Sine 3x, can you write for sine 3x? Sine 3x can be written as sine 2x plus x. Okay, sine x plus y formula will apply here, and so we'll write here, so sine sine x plus y, what we were writing, sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So sine 2x cos x plus cos 2x sine x, right? Now we'll apply 2x sine 2x formula here. So sine 2x will be equal to sine x cos x, 2 sine x cos x, right? So 2 sine x cos x, and here one more cos x is there, so cos x into cos x plus cos 2x is 1 minus sine square x into sine x, right? So this is 2 sine x cos square x plus, so cos square x plus sine x minus sine cube, sine square x into sine x will be sine cube x. Okay, now cos square x will convert this in sine, in the term of sine. So 2 sine x multiplied by 1 instead of cos square x we can write 1 minus sine square x, and plus sine x minus sine cube, sine x cube. Okay, so this will be 2 sine x minus 2 into sine square x plus sine x minus sine cube. Okay, this is sine into sine cube square, no? This will be sine cube. Okay, sine cube x. Now 2 sine x plus sine x will be 3 sine x minus 2 sine cube x minus sine cube x will be 2 sine cube x minus sine cube x will be equal to, and sorry, this one also be 2 square, no? Sine 2 square, so it will be 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 will be, minus 2 will be minus 4 sine cube x. Okay, so this formula, the same formula we are getting. Now similarly cos 3x, what will be the formula for cos 3x? 4 cos square x minus 3 cos x. We'll derive this one also. So cos 3x can be written as cos 2x plus x. Okay, now what is the formula of cos 2x? So cos 2x into sine x, cos 2x cos x minus sine 2x sine x, right? And what is the formula of cos 2x? Cos 2x will be 2 cos square x minus 1, or that is cos square x minus sine square x. So we can also write here, we derive in this one. See, cos 2x can be written as cos square, cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sine square x. It can also be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. So this one we will write here, minus 1 into cos x. Okay, now minus sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x cos x. Okay, and this is sine x. So now 2 cos square x multiplied by cos x minus cos x minus 2 cos x into sine square x. Sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. So 2 cos square x into cos x will be cos to the power q. So cos x minus 2 cos x multiplied by 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so it will be 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x minus minus plus cos plus 2 cos cube x. Okay, so 2 plus 2 will be 4, so 4 cos cube x minus 1 and minus 2 will be minus 3 cos x. So this formula we got. Okay, this one. Now the next formula that we are going to discuss is tan 3. Tan 3x, that will be equal to 3 tan x minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 3 tan x tan square x. Okay, this is the formula for tan. Dividing sine upon cos will get this value. Sine is 3 sine minus 4 sine cube x, and cos is 4 cos cube minus cos square minus it should be cos cube, 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x. Okay. So we'll apply that formula and we'll get the value. Now cos x plus cos y, what we will get? We'll get 2 cos x plus y upon 2 cos x minus y upon 2. Okay, cos x minus cos y, we will get minus 2 sine x plus y upon 2 sine x minus y upon 2. Sine x plus sine y equals to 2 sine x plus y upon 2 cos x minus y upon 2. Okay, next is sine x minus sine y equals to 2 cos x plus y upon 2 sine x minus y upon 2. Okay, these formula we will be going to use for many sums. Okay, this is important. And how we got this formula? If cos x plus y we are getting some value, cos x minus y we are getting some value, when we'll add both the formula, both the equations, what we will get? Then we'll get cos x plus y plus cos x minus y will get 2 cos x cos y, right? So same we have applied that x upon 2 and y upon 2. Instead of x and y, you just take x upon 2 and y upon 2, then you'll get this value. Okay, now some more important examples. Yeah, important identities are 2 cos x cos y. When we are getting 2 cos x cos y, when cos 2x will be equal to that, right? So how we are getting this? We'll also get cos sorry, 2x, not 2x, cos x plus y. So cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, we'll get this value 2 times of this one. Okay, so minus 2 sine x sine y cos x plus y minus cos x minus y, we'll get this formula. The next is 2 sine x cos y, we will get sine x plus y plus sine x minus y. Next is 2 cos x sine y equals to sine x plus y minus sine x minus y. Okay. Now, based on these sums, we are going to do, based on these identities, we are going to do sums. Okay, so that's all for today. And in the next video, we'll see how we'll apply these identities to do sums. Okay, there are many sums and we'll use these identities. So these are the formula, these are the functions, these are the identities you need to memorize, you need to remember every time when you are doing the sums. Okay, for any query, any doubt, please comment, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.